My name is Miss C, and welcome to the Music Online Academy. We will be discussing some music fundamentals that will help your understanding of music education. Let's jump right into the music fundamentals, starting with music theory. There are only 7 alphabets in music. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Next, we're going to cover the staff. The staff is where the music notes are placed. A staff is consisted of 5 lines and 4 spaces. They are arranged from the bottom to the top. Now I will cover the treble clef mode in which this symbol will be placed on the staff. This is also considered the G clef. We use acronyms to help us remember the lines and the spaces. Every good boy does fine are the lines, while FACE spell out the spaces. This is why they're arranged from bottom to the top. Okay, musicians, now let's see how you did. I will put up at least 5 notes to see if you can remember what are the names. Review your answers. I hope you did well. The next clef I want to talk about is the bass clef. And again, we use acronyms to identify the lines and spaces. The lines for bass clef are good boy does fine always. And the spaces, all cows eat grass. They're also from the bottom to the top. Now let's have a brief assessment of 5 notes, and we want you to guess them. Good luck. Review your answers. I hope you did well. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. You can support us by subscribing to our channel or by liking us on Facebook. Thank you.